Today I'm going to be working on a 2005 Dodge Magnum RT. The truth. Going to be replacing the cabin air filter, and this is the partner right here for the STP brand. First thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and pop your hood. It's right underneath here. Once you get your hood open, go ahead and pop these little tabs right here. There's 2 of them. That part of this come right out. Next, you're just going to fold down this little flap like that. And this car does not have a cabin air filter at the moment, but we're going to be putting one in. So this one has got little directional arrows. With these, we want it pointed towards the windshield. And you're going to put it into the long side facing down. Next, you're going to fold this little flap back up into place. Then you're going to want to reinsert this little plastic guard. Let's get the little tabs underneath. Snap it back in. I hope this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down in the comment section below.